Well, this is Steve Ridgel, and today I'm going to talk about ranching problem. Now, I talk a lot about Jesus, but a lot of you know that we have a little ranch about 30 miles southeast of town here in Abilene in West Texas. And I'm going to talk about something that every rancher who lives anywhere near a town occasionally experiences. And I don't know what people are thinking, but here's what happens. Somebody will drive out in the country and dump off their pets. Maybe their pets have gotten old and they don't want to take them to a vet and put them down because that's too hard emotionally for them. And so they take them and dump them out in the country. Or they got a dog and it got too big, or they don't train it, they don't spend any time with it, and it becomes not the kind of pet they envision, so they take it out in the country and dump it off. I don't know what people are thinking when they do that. But I want to tell you what happens when you dump your dogs out in the country. And you're not going to like any of them, but you need to know if you ever think about that. One is that they're domesticated at all. They'll go to the lights. They'll go to the house. And they show up at our place, and here we are with dogs. We've either already got dogs and can't take another dog. We don't have dogs because we don't want dogs. And now we've got your dog hanging around our place, and we either have to run it off or shoot it. That's not what I thought would happen. I thought you didn't want them. Why would we want them? Or here's what happens much more commonly than that. You dump your dog off and within 2 days they're dead because a pack of coyotes got them. Yeah, you didn't want to euthanize them, so you let them be mangled by a bunch of coyotes. That's hard. Or, and this is the worst case, and doesn't happen often, but occasionally, you'll dump a couple of dogs off, or they'll connect with another dog, and then you got a little pack of 2 or 3 or 4 dogs roaming your... Now, we have enough trouble with coyotes, but when you get a pack of dogs roaming out in the country, and they get hungry, well, yeah, that's why they catch your rabbits. No, you know what they go after? Our calves. And if we ever have a dog pack go after a calf, we have to hunt them down and kill them. We do. And so if they get to a calf or two before we can kill them, you just cost us a lot of money and a lot of pain. So I don't know what you think you're doing when you dump your dogs out in the country, but your dogs are going to die out there, and it's not going to be a pretty death. And it's bad. It's dumping your problem on us, and we didn't ask for it, don't want it. And we're people that care. Every rancher I know has adopted a stray dog or two. And every rancher I know has had to shoot a stray dog or two. It just happens like that. And because I'm a Christian, I don't like to inflict pain on animals. I think God created animals. I think He made us to bond with them. I think He values life. I don't think we ever ought to be cruel. And having said all of that, when you dump your dogs, there's a good chance I'm going to have to deal with them or bury the remains after coyotes have gotten to them. So just think about it before you adopt a dog, get a dog, and if it doesn't work out, take it to the shelter, find somebody, but don't just take it in the country and dump it, because that's about as cruel a thing. And in my view, I just don't think that's a godly thing to do. So, for whatever it's worth, those are things you don't want to think about, but maybe you ought to. So this is Steve Ridgel, hoping if I ever see your dog, it'll be at your place when I'm scratching it behind the ears and not trying to keep it away from my calves.